Hello, this is Masks of Defense by Vera Grip. What if, instead of blending in to survive, humans had to stand out? In marine environments, survival often depends on being seen, but in the right way. This presentation introduces Masks of Defense, a project by Vera Grip, a design and media student at Alda University. This project presents a dive into a potentially larger series of masks inspired by visual defense mechanisms found in marine life, including fake eye spots, warning colors, and camouflage patterns. By translating these strategies into human design, the project explores new ways of thinking about identity, survival, and self-expression. In many human environments, especially social and professional ones, conformity is often rewarded. Standing out can feel risky, and individuality is often suppressed. This creates tension around identity and how people present themselves versus who they really are. However, in nature, survival often works in the opposite way. Many marine species survive by using visual deception and exaggeration. These again including fake eye spots, bright warning colors, and disruptive patterning. According to Kiersmo and Merilaita, these markings can redirect predators' attacks away from vulnerable body parts. Rather than hiding completely, these animals manipulate how they are perceived. To explore these ideas, Grip conducted research into marine biology and biological design principles. She analyzed specific species known for strong visual defense mechanisms and experimented with materials such as resin, moldable plastics, metal structures, pigment powders, ceramic, and ceramic glaze. This project combined scientific research with hands-on design experimentation. To solve the problem, Grip focused on masks as they work perfectly as a visual and literal metaphor for self-expression. The project explores a series of mask concepts, each based on a different survival strategy found in marine environments. However, the final outcome presented here was focused on one mask, a refined piece that embodied these ideas and acts as a representation of a wider investigation. Rather than one single isolated object, the mask can be understood as a part of a potential collection, offering a glimpse into how different visual defense strategies could be translated into a wearable form. Grip explains many marine animals survive by exaggerating their biological design, whereas humans often need to conform to survive in their environments. This idea became the central to the project. These masks can be used in, for example, experimental theater, interactive exhibitions, or social environments exploring identity. For example, in an exhibition, participants might choose a mask based on a survival strategy, whether to stand out, misdirect, or blend in. The mask encourages users to reflect how they present themselves, and she also hopes to spark interest into learning about the theme that she has chosen. Why this matters. The research was conducted to explore the relationship between biological design and human identity. It highlights how nature embraces diversity in forms and function, while human systems often limit it. The project asked an important question: what if humans adapted nature's strategy for survival? In conclusion, marine life uses visual design as a powerful survival tool. Grip's project translates these strategies into wearable forms, combining biology, design, and social commentary. Through Masks of Defense, audiences are encouraged to rethink identity, perception, and the role of design in shaping how we are seen. Thank you.